Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fonzie's Garage. What are we going to do today? Let's just say we're going to go ahead and get that Chevelle up and running and take it for a little test drive. Hang in with me.
Stupid. Can't believe that.
Alright guys, so we're here working on the Chevelle. Still have some more work to do on it. But just to kind of wrap up this video, here with Debo D right now, let me just kind of get underneath the car and we'll show you exactly what was going on with it. So, in a nutshell, we literally had park, reverse, and low one, and we really didn't know what was going on. Didn't have a chance to go ahead and put it up on the lift until now. This is going to be like an extreme close-up. Whoa! All right, so hopefully I have enough light that you guys can actually see this. So right here, let me turn it around this way. Right here, there is a bolt. That actually is holding the column shift in, right? So every time you pull down on the column shift, it'll actually put it in reverse, neutral, drive, 1, 2, whichever. So Debo D was underneath here while I was sitting in the car just kind of going through the gears. And it turns out we had one too many washers in there. So Debo D took a washer out and now the car goes into every gear. And we don't have to worry about ramming it from park all the way to low. So thanks for tuning in, guys. This light next to me is extremely hot, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Thanks for watching Fonzie's Garage. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Check out my buddy Debo D's channel as well. I will link in the description. Thank you. Debo D's gonna go ahead and get in the Chevelle. That's my anti-theft.
Yeah, like the button stick.
Yeah. Oh. We're gonna go get some fuel in her. Going to, so we have a tail light, and it looks like we might have one headlight.
Well, good, because I have no mirrors, so I can't see anything.
Yeah, there's mirrors.
Yeah, I know, but I have to El Manuel adjust it.
Yes. So guys, this is the very first ride in the Chevelle. Still have some tinkering that we need to do. Figures that would probably be the cops.
Headlight.
We got a headlight. We have a tail light too.
Should I put the window down and do the...
Yeah, that's what I'll do. We're gonna pull right into the pump. I don't know. We could probably shut it off, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, I gotta pull it in.
Which way you want to go?
I would go right. freaking muscle like a Chevelle, man. It's holding strong too.
Yeah, we haven't had a flip in anything.
That could have been our problem the entire time.
Details.
Yeah. Brakes feel nice on it. Annoying. Oh, it is, and it's just rattling like crazy. Dude, it looks sharp in here, man. Alright guys, so that wraps up this episode of DeFonte's Garage. We were able to get the Chevelle up and running. Still need some minor things. I can tell you right now that exhaust rattle is a pain. That'll be something that we address here in the upcoming, I would say, spring. We're in the middle of November right now. It's about 30 degrees out here in DeFonte's Garage. So, you know, with the winter literally right here and now, content's going to be almost minimal, but we still have a few things that are left, so stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for taking that ride with us in this 1972 Chevelle. I can tell you it didn't overheat not one time, and we took that thing for quite a ride. It was dark. First time we actually took it out at night. I could tell you we had at least a headlight and a tail light, but we'll go ahead and get that stuff addressed. If you like this content, please make sure you like, comment, and share. And thanks for hanging out with us.